Greetings traders, today is 4th of January 2021, first day trading for year 2021. So in this video I'll show you how to day trading for Nasdaq 100, mini S&P futures 500, and as well crude oil for WTI NYMEX. So this moment we have one short sell signal from Nasdaq 100. We are in a progress re-entering entering the market just now, a bit earlier, and this is based from this signal indicator provided recently at around 8:40 a.m. Chicago time, and now we are waiting for the market to go even further down. But for the crude oil, for mini S&P futures 500, can be seen that the market keep going for a bearish movement since a while ago and haven't stopped. But for Nasdaq, there's a sideways move at this moment, and hopefully the price will remain bearish, or perhaps we can include the stop loss at somewhere at 93. We are in the position on the short sell at this moment, a bit on the minus side, about $100 $15 from the micro. This one from mini Nasdaq. This account is from the micro Nasdaq. One belong using the CQG broker AMP futures futures, and the other one is a tradovate using under top step account. So based from the signal, we are expecting for the market to go for the bearish. This is a Nasdaq 5 minutes, so this is the indicator from my indicator. So let's see how far this trade can go further. Hopefully it was a good one. I'm expecting for a quick profit at around 30 points further down, because it seems like market may go volatile, and for this one as well, or maybe in between we can exit one position just to be safe, because I'm trading 2 micro lot for this account. For this account, we are having one contract size trading at this moment, so it seems good at this moment. Okay, now you can see that we just waiting for the market to break through to the lower side fast. 140, 160, 150. So from micro account we have a 33. Looks quite healthy actually, so didn't expect to take much, because about 5% or 7% per day is good enough for me. I think this one is good enough, so no need to be that greedy. Okay, 60. Let's take a look on this one. 340 also is still a good enough. Okay, now 350, 385, 370, and the 400. I think I move a bit on the profit target. Oh shoot, people already take the profit, so now the market reverses back to the higher side, and don't want to lose anything, so let's wait. Let's take a look. So the signal, the price hit the I think the support line over here, so need to be careful not to lose any. Okay, now going back for the down, series 70. So we put a trailing stop somewhere here, in case the price move back further up. Okay, hit the trailing stop 305, so it should be a good one, because we did enter based from this signal. Market may go even further lower, but should be enough, no need to be greedy. And from the micro account we have a good take as well, about $61. Should be around. Let's take a look. Positions, okay, no position, purchase and sales. Alright, 61 US dollar, so that's mean one contract size about 30 US dollar or 15 ticks, 15 points, sorry, 15 points, about 60 ticks. Yeah, should be a good one. So the summary, because this is a small account, so around 8% in return for the small account. This one's the account since last week of December. Try to pile up this one, and this one, okay, just nice. It hit the trailing stop. At this moment I'm trailing a few ticks higher, so could be another blow to the downside, but should be good enough for me today. 305 US dollar in profit from the Nasdaq mini. Okay, I think let's go from Nasdaq. Let's take a look on the mini S&P. Still no indication that the market might go for any signal at this moment. We are still waiting. Alright, we're still waiting. So perhaps there will be a reversal. Once there will be a reversal, then we can just join in to go for the bullish movement. So could be another bearish sell over, but enough should be enough. No need to be greedy. Okay, so based from this indicator, there's a short sell position. Targeted TP should be around 30 or 30 points below. Okay, but yep, there's a possibility for the market to go even further down. And okay, now it tried to go further down. We can try to scrub, but it's too dangerous. It's very volatile on the first day of 2021. Market did drop a lot since the beginning of a US session. So there's quite a huge candle over here. So in case the price move back further down here, then we'll go for another short position using the same signal, which is to enter far below at 58 or 57 somewhere there. If the price tries to go break through towards 31 level, so I'm waiting at 56.75. In case the price try to move further down, then there's a high chance for it to go towards the level of 30. So let's wait patiently, and we'll resume this recording in a while, once the order been triggered, or there will be another signal from the mini S&P futures 500. For crude oil, market seems sideways at this moment. We are still waiting for any signal to be appeared and to be triggered. I already create an alarm for crude oil, which is, yeah, once there will be a sell signal or buy signal will trigger or me immediately. There's a lot over here. It shouldn't be. Supposed to be 6. 2 from Nasdaq, 2 from mini S&P, and 2 from crude oil. Okay, now we just need to wait. Okay, there's a never-ending movement bearish for mini S&P, but okay, let's wait patiently. We are waiting down here as a sell stop limit order for Nasdaq 100 to go short at about the same price level of the indicator as of our signal over here. So this sell signal. So now we are just need to wait if the price go further down. We have take the profit, a quick one just now. The best of the profit is 400 plus, but we didn't manage to exit it, but we exit by using the trailing stop, just nice a few ticks higher than the current market at that time. You can rewind back this video to see in a few minutes ago. Alright, we'll pause for a while and resume later on. Alright traders, resume back again. So we did enter for the second trade, so it was a good one. We will exit everything now, and yep, as you can see there's a breakthrough, and also from my micro account as well, already hit the profit trade position. So it was a good one, although a bit late, but we did manage to exit. So for the micro account, to have about 14% in return for today, so $103 in profit for the micro. And the position we did enter all is a short sell position from Nasdaq 100. We still haven't today is the 4th of January 2021. We still haven't received any signal from mini S&P futures 500. So $103 from the micro Nasdaq 100, and from the top step account 1295. So it was a good trade for the first day, and yeah, it was a good strategy as well, using the same signal, which is from the Nasdaq. So let's focus on Nasdaq at this moment. So I'm using time frame 5 minutes. I'm using time frame 5 minutes, and based from this time frame 5 minutes, we did manage to go short based from this signal, and then first hit the resistance line, this right horizontal line, if you can see in my screen at this moment. And then we did take early profit and try not to be greedy, and once hit the profit, and then let the price go. If the price go further down, then we just miss that one. It's okay, because we already hit the we already exit the profit with TP. And but for the current situation, the price did make a pullback, and then we did re-enter at the same price level of this signal from my indicator. So so the best chance is I need to have a requeue again at the same level. So this create another opportunity for me to go short for one more time, and we did manage to get with to trade over here with a good solid profit of another 900 about $900. So the price still remain further down, but should be okay. So for crude oil, we did have a short sell position at 48.35 just now. Alright, so 48.35. So this okay, it was a blank screen, but from crude oil, we did manage to short sell as well for 20 ticks profit, but then the price did go even further down, touching all the resistance line as support line until 47.41. so it should be around almost 100 ticks price movement, but yep. So for this we did manage to secure 20 ticks of profit, so it was a good one for crude oil as well. But for mini S&P futures 500, we still haven't received any signal since the beginning of a US session. So I don't know if we are supposed to be wait one more, or maybe there will be a reversal pattern or a pullback from the overall towards the pivot line perhaps. So let's wait for another few hours, maybe 2 hours. But for Nasdaq, it's quite clear that the market go beyond our target, which is at 830 earlier target, but even go further down to 14,815. So it was quite a volatile market for the first day of 2021. So the signal from Nasdaq 100 is based from my indicator, over here. You can get it if you have a trading view account. Just contact me. Alright, so I think that's all for today, and thank you for watching. There's a good solid of 1285 from the top step and 103 from a micro account of micro Nasdaq. So this was the trade, the triangle over here. So this was also the entry and the exit, and then wait for the pullback and then re-enter at the same price level or a bit lower, and then go with the flow for the first price movement. Alright, I think that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and see you again tomorrow. Feel free to read the description below. Thank you. Bye bye.